Layers. Layers are independent pages to draw onto. They can be moved above or below one another, and they can be manipulated independently. To add a layer, tap the top right cross and a layer will be added. Pinch layers to merge the contents down into one layer. Swipe right for layer options, lock, duplicate and delete. Select multiple layers, highlight one layer, then swipe right on the other layers underneath. You could pinch the selector layers to make one layer, or you could tap group to group the layers into a group so that they're still separate layers but all neatly contained into one folder. Tap the checkbox on the group layer and it will hide the entire contents of the group. And if you tap the arrow, you'll see the contents that are in the group. You'll see all the layers that you've grouped. Unchecking individual layers makes each layer invisible, so it'll turn them off. So as you can see there, the contents are still there, but they're just invisible. Tapping the N icon on the layer reveals more options. One is the opacity slider, which you can slide up and down and it will change the opacity of the layer, revealing the layer contents below for interesting effects. Naming individual layers, double tap the layer and it will reveal a panel that will enable you to choose rename, and here you can rename the layer. Again, this helps to keep you organised. When you get quite a few layers, sometimes you can get a little bit confused, so this just helps.